Today we're making baked chicken and veggie tortillas. The recipe's super easy and the dish is delicious. So jot down this recipe and be sure to try it at home. For all new viewers, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. You'll find the exact ingredient list in the video description. Let's start by chopping mushrooms, 1 red pepper, 2 medium onions, and chicken fillet. Season the fillet with gyro spice. If you've got time, marinate the meat in the fridge for an hour or prep it a day ahead. Fry the meat in hot oil. Once it's browned, set it aside for a bit. In the same pan with the same oil, fry the onions. When they start to brown, add the chopped mushrooms and pepper. Cook until the mushrooms release their water and it evaporates. Mix the chicken with corn and fried veggies. Add 150 g grated cheese. I used mozzarella. Then season with salt and pepper, then mix. Prepare 6 tortillas and place the filling in the center. Roll them up as shown in the video. I fold the sides first, then roll from the bottom up. Place in a baking dish, lightly greased with oil if desired. I added 2 spoons each of mayo and ketchup to the sauce, mixing everything together. Spread the sauce over the tortillas, top with remaining cheese. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Enjoy!